Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. So here is no option to block screenshot for our entire chat or conversation on WhatsApp. But here is an option to block a screenshot for a photo or a video. And here's how to send a photo or a video in disappearing mode, so the recipient won't be able to take a screenshot of the photo or the video. First of all, to get the option on your WhatsApp, you have to update your WhatsApp app. So go to your App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp. And then if you see any update available, must update your WhatsApp app first. Now go to your WhatsApp and go to the chat or conversation. And now to send a photo and make the photo screenshot block, all you have to need, tap on this camera icon and I'm selecting a photo from my gallery. Now all you have to need, here at the bottom right corner you will see this little one icon. Just enable this one, and here we can see once the disappearing option is turned on, the recipient won't be able to take a screenshot of it. So all you have to do is just tap on OK and just send the photo. And the same way you can record a video, and you can tap on this one icon to enable view once option and send the video. And now I'm going to switch my WhatsApp account. Okay, let's switch my WhatsApp account and going to the conversation. And let's open the photo. And now if I try to take a screenshot, let's see what happens. So as you can see, this app doesn't allow screenshots. So the recipient won't be able to take a screenshot of the specific photo and video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.